Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at a piece of vintage photographic gear that, if used today, might get you in trouble: the Fotosnaiper. The first iteration of the Fotosnaiper dates back to the 1940s, where apparently it was developed for military use. In the 60s, it was redesigned for civilian use and supplied with 2 lenses and a few accessories. The version I'll be showing you today is the FS12, produced between the 80s and 90s. It comes in a sturdy metal box that reminds me a lot of vintage military gear I've handled in one of my past jobs. Inside we find a Zenit 12S, from which it takes the name, a modified Zenit 12 with additional bits on the bottom to interface with the stock. For a camera made in the early 80s, it is very simple with only 6 shutter speeds and NASA settings, both capping at 500, but at least it has a light meter. Then we have the Tire 3S 300mm f4.5 that I have already reviewed, with its rubber sun hood. It is held in place by a big screw recessed under the case handle. Next we have the stock and trigger sections, with the leather being screwed to the bottom. Inside the lid we have an Helios 44 M4, 5 or 6, depending on the year, 1 UV filter, 4 color filters, 2 screwdrivers and 2 film canisters. The whole kit, including the case, weighs 5 kilograms. But does it actually work? Yes, it does help stabilize the 1.5 kilos 300mm lens it comes with. And in fact, it can be also used with your digital camera. Although it can be cumbersome to use, as you have to obviously advance the film after every shot, and the focusing knob is not exactly fast to operate. Now, in this day and age, walking around with a rifle-shaped camera support might end up with the police coming after you, so I feel it is more suited as a collector's item on a shelf rather than as a practical tool. Well, that would be all for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!